Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to paint a very beautiful tree with watercolors. So for that I am using these watercolor tubes. So let's start. I have taken some red color in my palette, add some water and just mix it well, and let's start painting a tree. Just make some lighter strokes to paint the tree. Again, we'll take some color. Okay. Now let's start making the stem of tree. Like this. We make the branches with this brown color. Take some more red color and give a little leafy effect to make the tree more realistic and beautiful. Wow, this art is so beautiful and satisfying, and also this is beginner friendly. If you want to learn watercolor painting, you can try this. You can try these easy tutorials. I will upload them by time on my channel. Okay. Wow, look how beautifully it's painted. Now take some more brown color. Okay, now we'll take some green color and mix it with a little of brown color, and we'll make the bottom with that tree. Again, take some green color. You may add a little of yellow with brown and just give it a nice shade. And that's it. Now we'll again take up some red color and do the bottom. Make some more leaves. Okay, so our tree painting with watercolor is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.